Running ads without data is expensive. Running ads with AI is much smarter. AI can help auto repair shops improve local advertising by identifying what messages, audiences, and offers are most likely to generate calls and booked appointments. Instead of guessing which promotion to run, AI tools can analyze campaign performance and suggest better headlines, better targeting, and even better times to advertise. For example, you can use AI to create multiple versions of Facebook or Google ads for brake repair, AC service, or check engine diagnostics. Then quickly identify which version gets the best response. That means less wasted ad spend and more high-quality leads. AI can also help you write ad copy in plain language that speaks directly to local drivers. When this is combined with proven shop marketing strategy from America's best shops, it becomes a powerful growth engine. The goal is not just to get more clicks. The goal is to get more cars in bays, more approved work, and more revenue from every campaign.